Historically, we've been a machine tool company. We've always been designing and building special machinery for material removal. Over the last 35 years, since we started looking at robotics, our business has shifted in our focus. And I think today, although we still have that foundation for machine tool design and build, the vast majority of our business is in robotics and automation. The company is really a technology company. It's morphed away from machine tools into more of a technology and innovation company. I felt it was time for us to probably look at rebranding, something that's more representative of what the company really is today. The new logo, which still has a global view, and it's just more of an updated look to better represent who Acme is today and where we're headed, based on the constant development of new processes and innovation, and we just know that's really our future after the previous 111 years.